Welcome to the project demonstration of Geneva Mechanism based conveyor belt. So generally, as we know, that conveyor belt consists of a rotation motor directly attached to the conveyor belt. So that is continuous rotation of a conveyor belt. So in our project we are making use of Geneva mechanism. So the purpose of the Geneva mechanism is, so it will rotate the conveyor belt based on the slots on this Geneva wheel. So the driving wheel attached to the motor, the driven wheel is attached to the Geneva mechanism. So this Geneva wheel taking the input from this driving wheel. So the main purpose of this one is the continuous rotation is converted into the intermitting rotation. Means, so based on the slots we are going to convert it into intermitting one. So means it rotates till the slot moves from the Geneva wheel. After that, this driving wheel extra attach will stop the rotation of this one. Means making the stopping of this Geneva wheel by using this extra attachment, and the slotted one is coming inside this and will driving this driven wheel, so that the system attached to the shaft to the conveyor belt, and it will rotate that to the slot wise, means intermitting rotation. So let us see the demonstration. So we are putting 230 volts AC inputs, as we can see that. Right. So this will make the Geneva wheel to make correct input from the driving wheel. So here we are providing the power supply of 230 volts AC inputs from the power socket and to the transformer. The transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and this is the regulated power supply board which will regulate the 12 volts AC to 12 volts pure DC voltage. So we are using the DC motor. So in this one we are using the spur gear mechanism inside this gearbox. So as the base motor will rotate the mechanism for 2400 RPM, but with help of this gearbox we are going to reduce the gear ratio till 30 rotations per minute, means 2400 to 30 rotations per minute. So the output shaft is getting output of 30 RPM. So that is the main input to this driving wheel, to the driven wheel of Geneva wheel.